Hi guys, Dionne Woods here. I am the owner and artist at the Turquoise Iris, and I have a coaching group called The Creative Connection. We are on Facebook, and it'll be 3 years coming up in August. So the biggest benefit of being in the group is that all of our teachings, all of our tutorials are right there for you at your fingertips. I've never deleted any of the trainings. They're all right there for you. Once you figure out and learn how to maneuver through the group, through the files, and find just the right tutorial for you, it's all right there. But if you don't believe me, check out what these people have to say.
Hi everyone, Cindy Daychuk here from Queen Bee Creations. I wanted to pop on and just spend a couple of quick minutes to talk a little bit about Dionne Woods, and in particular about her creative connection. You know, if you're anything like I was, you have been following Dionne avidly online, watching anything that she puts her brush to, and perhaps even replicating some of her finishes, whether on canvas or on any of your furniture. If you are watching this video series, it's because you have a creative business of your own and you are looking for a resource to help you take it to the next level. Dionne's Creative Connection is that kind of resource, and I want to share with you a couple of key reasons as to why. Now, I've had multiple business over the course of my career because I am on the north side of 60. And one of my business has been going strong for 24, 25 years. But when I started that business, a couple of the biggest mistakes that I made. One was I thought I had to do it all on my own. I started it from scratch, and I did not access resources. Now, back then, we didn't have the internet. We didn't have those kinds of options. But I made the mistake of thinking I had to do it on my own, that I was a smart cookie. I could learn this stuff. I could research it. And you know what? You're probably the same. You're a smart cookie too. You could go and research whatever you need to learn. Everything ultimately is figure-outable, but it takes a lot of work and a lot of effort to figure that stuff out. How much better to find and locate the people that are already doing it, the people that have already figured it out, and to learn from the best. And Dionne Woods is one of the best of the best.
Team, Chris Balla here of Dixie Artistry. Anyone that's contemplating joining the Creative Connection, I can assure you it is the place to be. So I am a retired Navy officer of 20 years. And roughly about a year later, after struggling to figure out life and this new role of stay-at-home dad that I was in, I decided I wanted to teach myself how to paint. Well, I didn't know how to do it, so I did what any good old-fashioned American does when he doesn't know how to do something. I Googled it. That led me to YouTube videos of Debbie Beard of DIY Paint, trying to mimic this woman named Dionne Woods. And I kind of liked what she was painting, so I looked up Dionne. Led me to the Turquoise Iris and the Creative Connection. And when it opened up in July of 18, I pounced on it and haven't looked back since. Won't lie, it's kind of neat being one of the only guys in the group, but it hasn't been weird. The ladies have been just so welcoming, so encouraging. They don't treat me special, but they don't treat me like I'm a guy. They just treat me like one of the other 500 of us artists. I've met some just amazing people. Cheryl Roy, Patty Pesto, Heather Watson, my girl Q, Quita. And the list goes on and on and on. If I need a question about mixing paint, which I struggle at, I just throw it on there, and Danette O'Neill has got it answered within 30 seconds. It's just been amazing. Now, I would say the biggest thing, though, that I've gotten out of it is being a military member and a fraternity brother before that, and sports all my life. I've always been a member of a team. And once I retired, it was basically me and the dog for most of the day. So joining the Creative Connection has filled that hole that the military left, and that I feel like that I have a team that I can chat with on a daily basis, watch videos of, ask questions. It's just an amazing group. Well worth the money for the membership. So take it from one of the lone guys in the group. Join. We want you.
Hi friends. I am Shaylin Ellison, and I am a member of Dionne's Creative Connection. And I know that Dionne is going to be opening it up again soon. And I just want to tell you to run, don't walk. Say that the Creative Connection is my favorite place on the internet. It is a place where I can go for a challenge, for strategy, for friendship, for just expanding my creativity and my knowledge. It is a place of encouragement and motivation, and a place where I can come and be myself. You can go to this group, and it is just open permission to grow, to learn, to share. You can't be part of this group and stay stuck. There will be somebody there who will have the encouragement that you need or help you brainstorm through ideas. You can get honest feedback. And it's not just for painters. There are several different kinds of creatives in there. Mixed media artists, quilters, furniture painters, canvas painters. There's people in there who do things with clay. This past year of my life, I have not gotten to create as much as I would like to, but creativity is my refuge, and being part of the Creative Connection has meant that I stay engaged in the challenges, and it makes space every month in my life for me to create something, to learn something new, to expand my techniques and try something new. This is about a lot more than paint, and it's about a lot more than creating. And if you are looking for a refuge in the big, wide, competitive, noisy world that we live in, get to the Creative Connection.
Hi everybody, my name is Patty Richardson with Vintage Upcycle and More, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the Turquoise Iris Creative Connection and what it means to me. I joined the Creative Connection last April, so almost a year ago, and I wanted to tell you that it has made my business grow immensely. I'm doing things now that I never would have thought I would have done before. I do Facebook Lives on a regular basis. I'm now doing YouTube Lives, and my next goal is to do YouTube videos. If you're on the fence about joining the Creative Connection, jump over that fence and the next fence. It's well worth it. You'll learn more than you ever thought you could learn. Dionne is a wonderful, wonderful person.
Hi everyone, my name is Jackie Stratum. I'm the owner of the Painted Pinto. I want to welcome you to the Turquoise Iris Creative Connection Group. I am a new member myself. I started in January of this year, so I've been here 3 months. And before that, I just painted a couple of small pieces for my home. But I decided that I wanted to take my creativity and see if I could develop it into a business. I am a photographer, so I wanted to develop furniture painting and my photography. And I'd seen some YouTube videos and I was very intrigued. So since then, since joining, I just have to tell you that my talent has exploded. There are so many people that are in this group that are new beginners and actually seasoned veteran artists that are here. And everyone that participates, they are so genuine. Everyone here is supportive, non-judgmental. You will find people from all walks of life. Also, Dionne Woods, who is the founder of the Turquoise Iris and the Turquoise Iris Creative Group, she has put years of tutorials together that will give you information on questions that on anything that you need to know. If you're looking for business and you're wanting to know how to market your business or social media, if you're looking for just paint styles and technique styles, there's all kinds of tutorials for that. And don't ever be afraid to ever post a question, because there's nothing that's stupid here, and everyone will jump right in and help you and support you. You're going to have great days and you're going to have bad days. And when you have those bad days, be sure and join the group and let us know, because we are here to uplift each other and support. So like I said in the beginning, I want to welcome you, and I can't wait to meet each and every one of you through this social media and this platform. So have a blessed day.
Connie from The Paint Photographer. Her group has helped me tremendously. You ask a question and you're going to get a lot of answers and a lot of help from some very talented people. My art has grown. My confidence has grown. I can do my own lives now. And Dionne's Creative Connection, if you aren't doing it, you should be. If you haven't joined, you should. It's fun. Dionne is the kindest person I know. I have my waterproof case on my iPad, so I actually listen to Dionne's videos in the shower when I get ready for work in the morning. It's just a really fun group. And Dionne, again, thank you for having me do this little video, and you are amazing. Thank you for all that you do. You have a very kind
Hi everyone, my name is Llewellyn Crossteb, and I am the owner and creator at Warm to Whimsy. I have been a part of this amazing group for probably about 3 months now, and I want to say, if you are thinking about it, do it. Jump in and join. This group has been such a positive influence in kind of like every side of my life right now, whether it be personal or business. So first of all, in this group, you have this amazing one-on-one access to Dionne Woods herself. You know, she is in the group, she is active all the time, she is posting tutorials, she is empowering and encouraging and helping us to move forwards in our business and get it where we want it to be. Another reason I love this group is the business side. It has been huge for me. I am relatively new to social media. This has answered so many of my questions just within the group. So basically, you know, you have a question, you post it, and either Dionne makes a video or she brings in a professional to offer their expertise in this area, or she tags you in one that's already been made. But like, bam, you have an answer. So yes, I highly recommend this group, and if you're thinking about it, honestly, go for it. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so this is like take 20. And all I want to say is, if you guys are out there and you're creatives and you're looking for a group to be in, the Creative Connection is for you. It doesn't matter if you write a book or you paint furniture, bake a cake, doesn't matter. If you're looking for creative support and creatives that are just like you out there, either looking for business advice or new painting techniques, or just a friendly face or voice to go to when you're either trying to create something or learn, this is the place for you. I have been part of the Creative Connection with my friend Dionne Woods for about 2 years now, and if I were going to list the groups out there that I would want to be a part of, this is one of those groups. I hope that you will come over and join us and join in all the fun and all the creative minds and beautiful people that are in this group, and also have a wonderful teacher such as Dionne and motivator just like her.
My name is Jenny Tucker, and my business is Faith and Pearl. I joined the Turquoise Iris Creative Connection in 2019, and the reason I joined initially was because I knew I was getting ready to take some big leaps in my business, and I wanted to be, I was looking for community. I wanted that creative energy that you can only get from being surrounded by other creative people. Working from home can be very isolating, and I was getting to that point where I felt kind of lonely, and that gets draining after a while. So I joined Dionne's group, and I've met a lot of great women in there, and I already knew a few of them, and so it's nice to have a place for us all to kind of come together and share and collaborate and ask questions and be able to answer questions as well. The feedback from everyone in the group is always so wonderful and encouraging and supportive. It's a great group, it's a great community, and if you are needing something like that in your life, I highly encourage you to check it out. The Creative Connection is, it's just that, it's connection.
Did you see what I mean? Wow. These people volunteered to do this, so I'm just always blown away by the positive things that they have to say. We will be coming up on our 3rd year in August for this group. Outstanding group of people. Say they come in, they get what they need. Some people go. There are really probably 2 handfuls of people that were literally there the very first day that I opened, and they're still in the group. You guys go to theturquoiseiris.com, go to my Creative Connection, register there. Once you've checked out, pop back over to Facebook and send your request to join the group if you haven't already done so. I will be looking for you. We'll get you in the group ASAP, and we look forward to visiting with you and seeing what you're up to, what do you want to learn, and exactly what I can do to help you out. Thanks for watching.